My name is Elinor Dempsey, and on August 29th, 2015, I was attacked by a great white shark.
If you had been attacked by a shark, or if you're an investor and you've been hit by turbulence in the market, the way to get back in is to use a process that can take you step by step back into the water to help you recover.
It's about 3 weeks later that I decided to get back in the water and grabbing my board and walking out in the sand and feeling pretty excited and paddling out, caught a bunch of waves.
Topturn Fund Advisors is an asset manager that was formed to develop strategies that provide alternative sources of return.
The real sharks are the things that are going on in the marketplace, in the economy, that you're not aware of. In structuring EightyFund, two of the things really that were important to us were that there be a high level of transparency, and we wanted something that had daily liquidity. So if you want to avoid being bitten, one of the keys is to have a strategy designed for the type of climate or regime that we are in. We attempt to help mitigate those dangers that are lurking.
I was sitting there waiting for a wave. I looked down and I saw this enormous shape below me. And the next thing I know, the shark jumped over me and then went back around in order to bite my board on the left side.
I think that analogy to investing is that there's information available to help us avoid the shark attacks that might bite somebody's portfolio, and to adjust the portfolio accordingly.
EightyFund can actually pivot completely from one direction to another. So if the momentum is strongly there in equities, the EightyFund can be pointed really completely in that direction if appropriate. When that direction changes, the underlying structure of the fund can pivot completely the other way to attempt to capture the energy that may be present at that point in time.
Next thing I know that happened was looking over my left shoulder and seeing the destruction of my board and feeling really panicked and swimming as like an Olympic swimmer.
So the objective of the EightyFund really is to provide a meaningful return with low volatility.
Before you invest in the Topturn EightyFund, please refer to the prospectus for important information about the investment company, including investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. You may also obtain a hard copy of the prospectus by calling 888-261-2884. The prospectus should be read carefully before you invest or send money. The Topturn EightyFund is distributed by Ultimus Fund Distributors, LLC. Mutual funds investing involves risk. Principal loss is possible. The value of the fund shares, when redeemed, may be worth more or less than their original value.